Day 17. Okay, so is it my turn to be blindfolded today?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to be the blindfolded subject today. I wonder if my wine tasting abilities are as good as your wine tasting abilities.
I don't know. I'm sure you'll be able to like guess what it is, unless we get something crazy.
Maybe.
You never know. I feel like we're getting down to the last.
All right. Do you want to hand me the blindfold? I know we are getting down. So day 17, we
Yeah.
literally have what, 4? So we have 7 more wines to try.
Yeah.
So I wonder if they're gonna start throwing some like crazy ones.
Probably.
In there.
I could probably.
Well, we'll see how good I get. So here, I'll put it on.
You can blindfold yourself.
Maybe. Oh, you're right. You can't really like keep your eyes open with the blindfold
no,
on.
you can't keep your eyes open.
Hold on.
Because it's so like tight against your eyes.
Yeah.
Like,
Well, it would hurt your eyeballs
Can't
to
see.
like have your eyeballs on them. Ooh. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So.
Okay. It's weird, right?
Yeah, it's strange.
Okay.
Okay, so I can't see.
Okay. I'm gonna open the box.
Okay.
We're on day 17.
17.
Okay. Let me find it first. Okay. Oh, it's actually close to you.
What is it?
So I'm gonna pop it. All right, give me your hand.
I was like, oh, you want me to open it? No, you just open it. You do it anyways. I was just helping you out last time.
Oh, okay, fine.
I did find the wine key, I think.
Okay. Alright. Okay, so I'm gonna open up this bottle and you're gonna taste it. Do you wanna touch it at all?
Oh yeah, let me see.
Okay. Not that you're gonna here. Not that you're gonna be able to know what it is based on I was like, oh, well, it's not a sparkling wine.
No, it's not. It's not Prosecco or Champagne, so we know that.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, it's open. So I'm gonna pour you a glass.
Ooh, it's pouring like a red. I'm sticking with my,
What? How do you know?
I was just kidding, because
Oh.
I'm just guessing. We've had 3 whites, so I'm assuming that they're going to do a red, but if, here's my hand.
Alright. Got it?
Here?
Yep.
Okay. Beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I feel like, am I actually swirling it or no?
Yeah, you're swirling.
Okay. I feel like they're not going to do 4 whites in a row, so let's see how my old sniffer works with my eyes closed here. I feel like I couldn't even find the freaking glass.
I know, right? It's like
I'm like this.
that's how I felt when
I don't smell anything. My nose is under the glass. Here we go. Okay, definitely red. Obviously red. My prediction was right that they weren't going to do 4 whites in a row. Interesting. God, I'm not great at red. I don't think.
Well, what do you smell?
I definitely smell some wood. So I'm going to say oak first and foremost. There's some oak to it. I definitely smell dark fruit. Maybe like a mix red and dark. You know, so like some maybe cherry, some like plum. It doesn't smell like earthy at all to me though. So I'm gonna say this is not a cab. This is not a cab. This is not a Bordeaux.
Okay.
I just like if they're throwing some goofy wine varietal out there, I don't really know. Like I don't have enough experience with Malbec. I don't have enough experience with. I'm gonna say this is gonna be a red blend. It's gonna be categorized as a red blend.
It's kind of hard, right?
Yeah,
To like guess.
well, that's what I said.
Maybe you probably had a harder one to guess a red. Like reds could be from anywhere.
Well, that's what I was saying. You can have reds from anywhere, any distinctive like characteristics.
Yeah. I haven't tasted it yet either.
I mean, I feel like it's still a little boozy too, so I'm catching like a little bit of oak, a little bit of booze, a little fruitiness. Like once I try it, I should hopefully have a better idea. So
Okay.
like, cheers.
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 Interesting.
Oh, I was gonna make a joke about like it's minerally. It's like, I was gonna make a joke about like pencil shavings, this and that, because you hear these like ways to describe red wines. I taste like mineral, like graphite or something like that. Like, interesting. This is a
It's
weird.
kind of hard to.
I was gonna say this is gonna be a weird red or something. I feel like on the scale of.
So what?
It's not dry. It's not dry to me. It's not super tannic to me. So I'm gonna say like the grape is gonna be on like a Pinot Noir level. I'm gonna say it's a red blend though.
From where?
Damn it. I'm gonna say like South America just because that's where I want it to be. I have no idea what region this is gonna be from. Maybe.
So is that your final answer?
No, I'm trying to go through it. No, I'm gonna say this is a. One more time.
Yeah. Channel your inner intuition.
It is fruitier, like red fruit. I'm gonna say Oregon or Washington, Pinot Noir or a red blend. Final answer.
Okay.
Take my blindfold off.
Mm-hmm.
It's a white. It's a white from
No.
France. Oh my god, can't see anything.
Told you it's hard.
Oh damn it! Come on! Oh, I can't
So
see
it's,
anything from Chile.
Yeah, from Chile, South
I was
America.
gonna guess. I'm like, I can't say South America. That's what I guess every time.
It's a Carmenère.
A Carmenère again.
100% probably, because it's not a blend.
My eyes.
I know, it's hard to adjust.
Can't see.
to the light.
Number one, I've never had a Carmenère.
We
I
read
saw-
about it in that book, though.
I could have never. I still can't see.
Oh, yeah.
Holy cow.
Yeah.
So I would have never guessed this grape because I've never heard of it, or if I have, I've heard of it in passing.
I feel like it does have Pinot Noir qualities, so that was a good guess.
Cielo de Oro.
Mm-hmm. It's good.
I can't read this. I cannot see.
I'll read it.
Literally, my eyes are like broken right now.
This Chilean Carmenère showcases a distinctive aromatic profile with spicy notes, ripe cherry, black currants, and a hint of green pepper. On the palate, it is round and approachable, offering a pleasing balance of flavors. The wine's fine aromatic persistence and solid structure enhance its overall appeal.
So I said like cherries and dark fruit.
Yeah.
That's kind of like that's what I smell.
Definitely.
I said earthy or graphite,
Mm-hmm.
so that maybe I was tasting spice, pepper, or pepperiness maybe.
I taste green pepper,
Cielo.
like a bell pepper, like green bell pepper.
So if I'm looking at the color though,
Interesting.
it's maybe shade. No, maybe Pinot Noir.
It's Pinot
dark.
Noir. Yeah. When you said like Oregon Pinot Noir, I was thinking you're probably pretty close.
Huh. Interesting. Wow, that's really fun. I've been waiting for a South American red this whole box, and here it is on day 17 when I'm blindfolded, and I'm like, no, I'm not gonna go with that because that would be my typical response, and I couldn't, it's nice.
Mm-hmm.
Not like. Okay, there is some pepperiness to it now.
It's like green pepper,
Yeah.
right? Not like black pepper, like spicy, like.
Yeah, it's different. Okay, so we have our wine folly book here. We're gonna look up Carmenère really quickly. We will link this below if anybody's interested in a really fun wine book. This is the Magnum edition. So Carmenère.
Yes.
Carmenère. All right. This was once thought to be a nearly extinct Bordeaux variety. We now know that nearly 50% of the Merlot planted in Chile is actually Carmenère. Interesting. And it's funny, Merlot wasn't even in my
Doesn't
brain.
taste like a Merlot.
Right. The herbal peppercorn flavors in Carmenère are great embellishment to roast meats from chicken to beef and pretty much anything spiced with cumin. Interesting. Where it grows, we don't have to really get into that, but Chile is the most prominent area for that. Flavors of raspberry, bell pepper, black plum, paprika, vanilla. Interesting.
Is it aged in oak?
It doesn't
Doesn't say.
say. Doesn't say what it would be aged in, but it's comparing it to maybe a Cab Franc, Cab Sauvignon, Handaribi, Belta, Spain, some type of Spanish, Bordeaux blends or Merlot. That's interesting though. 50%
Yeah,
of
I
it.
wouldn't have guessed Merlot.
Yeah. It's not very tannic, not very acidic. Interesting. Okay, well, Carmenère. We can rate this, or do you want to look it up really quickly? I think it does add some value having like the
You
back.
think so?
Yeah, I do.
So on the Wine Advent Calendar website, it says originally from Bordeaux, France, Carmenère was one of the original 6 red grape varieties used in Bordeaux blends. However, the phylloxera plague. Phylloxera?
Yeah, that's the okay. Side note, that's what wiped out Malbecs.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Okay. So phylloxera plague? Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
Phylloxera plague in the 1860s devastated European vineyards, and Carmenère was thought to be extinct. Unbeknownst to many, the grape had been brought to Chile in the mid-19th century and was mistaken for Merlot. It wasn't until 1994 that French ampliographer? I can't say.
We're learning new words
I know,
today.
ampliographer?
Maybe.
I've never seen that word. Ampliographer?
Ampliographer, maybe? Okay.
Whatever. Jean-Michel Boursiquot.
Okay, there you go. Jean-Michel, alright.
Jean-Michel?
Amplifier.
Jean-Michel Boursiquot.
Okay.
Identified the vines in Chile as Carmenère, not Merlot. Since then, Carmenère has flourished in Chile's ideal growing conditions, particularly in the Central Valley, and has become the country's signature grape. Today, Chile produces the majority of the world's Carmenère wines, celebrated for their unique, spicy, and fruity profiles. And then, of course, same grilled meat, spicy dishes, vegetables, hearty stews, and chocolate.
Interesting. With like a food pairing like that, you would think this wine actually needs food. I don't think that it does. I think you could drink this with or without food, which is kind of
cool. It has a nice acidity, so it's not overly heavy.
And it's not that super dry wine where it's gonna like you need it to cut through fat and whatever. So let's rate this wine real quick. I do have a paper for you.
Thank you.
Paper for me. Okay.
Alright.
Do we rate it the same again?
I don't know.
Ready?
Oh.
Wow, that's different. You don't like it as much as I do.
No.
Huh. I like it.
Really?
Yeah. Really? I don't mind it. It's an interesting grape. Interesting wine, interesting grape. I like it. Anybody's guess on what tomorrow's wine is going to be? What do you think?
Well, you got your
Red
wine
from South America.
South America.
So something American tomorrow.
Probably.
I'm gonna say red from Washington.
I say red from. That's what I was gonna say.
Okay. Well, we're on the same page then. Red from Washington.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers. There's nothing left.
I was gonna say there's nothing in here.
Dog.
Maybe. Cheers.
Cheers. See you for day 18 tomorrow.
Wow.
We're getting close to Christmas.
Yeah. Well.
I wonder what our 25th day is gonna be.
It's gonna be nothing because there's only 24 wines in the box.